By the end of this review, you're going to know everything you need to know about recurring AI, and you're also going to see a very, very exclusive ebook bonus that's only available to those that go through my link. Let's check it out. As you can see, I have access to the entire course. I've gone through the entire course. I have some of the mustache hair in my mouth from those stupid glasses. But I want to show you this bonus real quick. I'm going to go through every single piece of this so you can know everything you need to know to make this decision. But this is one of the bonuses that I'm going to be giving away. I'm going to have a couple of other bonuses in there as well. But this is going to be the most important one, the one I spent the most time on. I went through the entire course. I created an actual ebook from the information that actually has action steps in each chapter. So you can see at the bottom of each chapter, there's action steps for that specific chapter. I made a chapter for each video in the course. There's 18 chapters in this. It's a step-by-step guide. Yes, you can have success if you don't use this, but you'll be much more likely to be held accountable. You'll be much more likely to not have to worry about having any additional questions if you get this ebook. So please, 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 if you're considering buying this, don't consider somebody else's BS bonuses that they're throwing in that are completely unrelated, or it's just some random PLR or something. This is something specific to this course. Let's check out the actual course itself. So the purpose of this course, it's called Recurring AI, but there's a lot of different ways that you can build assets and sell other people's assets as an affiliate, whether they're recurring or not. It doesn't have to be recurring. The point that they're making by calling this recurring AI is that they're showing you this brand new marketplace that's come out, that the specialty of the marketplace is kind of like selling recurring, helping creators sell recurring memberships, which recurring income, if you don't have any, you probably should start there, because that's kind of the backbone of being able to have a stable online business, and especially an affiliate business. If you can get recurring in there, you can build up much quicker and get free much quicker. But the platform itself actually allows you to put even free offerings, courses on there, one-time payments, recurring payments. So you can do all different sorts of stuff. I've already put a course on there. I've already put something for free on there since I started going through this course. I'm still in the phase of getting it approved, but it's they pretty much approve everything that's submitted, but you don't have to do that. There are a lot of things that they go into here. So it talks about becoming a seller, talks about easy product creation. When you buy this, you're also going to get a couple of extra special bonuses that teach you how to create templated Notion stuff to sell, Notion templates to sell, spreadsheets that you can sell. This stuff people are not selling those specific things on this platform yet. I went through, I didn't see a single person selling those yet. So it's wide open for that sort of stuff. And there's all kinds of PLR for that. And James has a course for each of those called, I think, Excel Profits. I don't remember the actual names of them, but I have both of them. And I've sold Excel spreadsheets, and I sold a lot of Notion templates as well. So it goes through all the product creation, how to use AI to actually create those products, how to make those recurring products. And then it goes into the affiliate piece of it as well. And then don't skip over this free part. If you're trying to build, as important as recurring is, building an email list is the most important thing. So free portion right here, just a hack for you. This is going to be how you build up a list, and then you sell them other people's recurring stuff, your own recurring stuff, your own courses. And you can just sell them stuff over and over and over. And then they go through the actual details of how to get paid. And it's just very, very thorough. And when this is launching, the course is only $17 up front. I'm not sure if it's going up with each sale. I don't think so. Typically when they do them at $7, they don't go up with each sale, but check it out, because they will raise the price after the launch period is over. So there's a ton of great information here on leveraging marketplace traffic, where you don't have to provide your own traffic. You don't even have to provide your own recurring products, assets if you don't want to. I suggest you check it out, go through the product creation stuff. learn how to become a seller, go ahead and set that up. It'll take you less than 5 minutes. I already did it today, this morning. Create a product. I did that in like 5 minutes, and just dig in and start doing this. Use the ebook to actually make sure that you're taking all the steps that you need to do in order to succeed. It will be auto delivered to you if you purchase the front end product and then one upsell. Any one upsell that you purchase, you can get the ebook for it. So hope to see you in there. Love you guys.